The kitchen looks very quiet today. I opened the refrigerator and it looks almost empty.
I noticed that this morning too. We really need to go grocery shopping today.
Yes, if we wait longer, we will have nothing to cook for dinner.
That would be a problem. I do not want to eat instant noodles again.
We ate noodles 2 days in a row.
Yes, and I want something fresh and healthy now.
So, what should we buy today?
Let's start with the basics. We need milk, eggs, bread, and rice.
Good idea. These are important things for the kitchen.
We should also buy vegetables.
Yes, vegetables are always good for cooking.
I want tomatoes, potatoes, carrots, and onions.
That sounds perfect for many meals.
We also need fruit.
What fruit do you want?
Apples, bananas, and oranges.
Those are your favorite fruits.
Yes, I like sweet fruit.
Should we make a shopping list so we do not forget anything?
Yes, that will make shopping easier.
Okay, I will write it down on my phone.
Great.
Milk, eggs, bread, rice, tomatoes, potatoes, carrots, onions, apples, bananas, and oranges.
Do not forget chicken.
Oh, yes, chicken for dinner.
And maybe some juice.
Orange juice?
Of course, you know I like orange juice.
I know.
Maybe we should also buy yogurt.
That is a good idea. Yogurt is healthy.
Okay, now the list looks complete.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, let's go to the grocery store.
The store is about 10 minutes away.
Walking will be nice.
Yes, the weather's very pleasant today.
The air feels fresh.
I enjoy walking to the store.
Me too. It feels relaxing.
Look, we're almost there.
I can see the grocery store sign.
The store looks busy today.
Yes, many people are shopping.
Let's get a shopping cart.
Good idea. We will buy many things.
Okay, I have the cart.
Let's start with the fruit section.
I see many fruits here.
Look at those apples.
They look very red and fresh.
Yes, let's buy some apples.
How many apples do you want?
Maybe 6 apples.
Okay, I will put 6 apples in the bag.
Thank you.
What about bananas?
Yes, we need bananas.
These bananas look very yellow.
That means they are sweet.
Good.
Let's take 1 bunch.
Done.
Now let's get oranges.
These oranges look very juicy.
Perfect for juice.
I will put 4 oranges in the bag.
Great.
Our cart already looks colorful.
Fruit always makes the cart look nice.
Now let's go to the vegetable section.
I see tomatoes over there.
These tomatoes look very fresh.
Let's take 4 tomatoes.
Okay,
Now we need potatoes.
potatoes are here.
Should we buy a small bag?
Yes, a small bag is enough.
Good.
What about carrots?
Yes, we need carrots.
Carrots are great for soup.
And for salad, too.
I will take 5 carrots.
Perfect.
Now onions.
I found them.
Onions always make food taste better.
Yes, they are very useful for cooking.
I will put 3 onions in the cart.
That should be enough.
Our cart is getting full.
But we still need milk and eggs.
The dairy section is over there.
Let's go.
Here is the milk.
Should we buy 1 bottle or 2?
Maybe 2 bottles.
Yes, we drink milk every day.
Okay, 2 bottles of milk.
Now eggs.
I see the egg boxes here.
Let's check them carefully.
Yes, they look good.
1 box is enough.
Eggs are in the cart.
Now yogurt.
There are many flavors.
I like plain yogurt.
Okay, I will take 1 big container.
Thank you.
Now we need bread.
The bread section is here.
I like fresh bread.
This bread looks soft.
Yes, it smells nice too.
Let's take this one.
Bread is done.
Now we should find the rice.
Rice is in the next aisle.
I see many bags.
Which one do you want?
The medium bag.
Okay, I will take it.
Good.
Do we still need chicken?
Yes, chicken for dinner.
The meat section is at the back.
Let's go there.
The chicken looks fresh.
How much should we buy?
Maybe 1 kilo.
Yes, that will be enough.
I will ask the worker.
Good idea.
Excuse me, can we have 1 kilo of chicken?
Thank you.
The chicken is ready.
Great.
Now we only need juice.
Let's go to the drinks section.
Here are the juices.
I see orange juice.
Your favorite.
Yes, let's take 1 bottle.
Done.
Maybe we should buy some snacks too.
Snacks are always nice.
Maybe cookies.
I like cookies.
Just 1 small pack.
Okay,
I think we have everything now.
let's check the list.
Milk, eggs, bread, rice, vegetables, fruit, chicken, juice.
Everything is in the cart.
Great.
Let's go to the checkout.
The line is not very long.
That is good.
Waiting in long lines can be boring.
Yes.
It is our turn now.
Hello.
The cashier is scanning the items.
The cart is very full.
Yes, we bought many things today.
The total price looks okay.
Good.
I will pay with my card.
Thank you.
Payment is done.
Great.
Now let's pack the bags.
The bags are a little heavy.
That means we bought good food.
Yes, our kitchen will be full again.
I'm excited to cook dinner tonight.
Chicken with rice and vegetables.
That sounds delicious.
And fruit for dessert.
Perfect.
Shopping was fun today.
Yes, it was simple and easy.
Next time we should come earlier.
Good idea.
Okay, let's go home.
I am hungry now.
Me too.